SNES, which stands for sweetness, saltiness, spiciness, savoriness, and sourness. Here we're going to learn how to cook and manage finances with a simple game. So either we can scroll down on our website or we can use this handy header to navigate about. So first we come to the About Us, and our mission is to basically help college students learn more about cooking while minimizing food wastage, and they can find fun while playing this game we've created. And we go down to the recipes tab and we have a few sample recipes in which students can try out for the first time if they're very new to cooking, or they can go straight to what they want to do. So for example, if you click here for the recipe, it leads you to a new tab that gives you a really nice, easy recipe to follow with a lot of instructions. So it can be useful for someone who's trying this out for the very first time. And we provide 6 sample recipes, including breakfast food, lunch food, dinner foods, and a dessert. And next we come to our actual game section. So this game is a cooking simulator where you have to create a meal by yourself. Usually there is no recipe to follow. However, we did provide a few sample recipes as I just showed you. And you basically just go through the game, you follow what you want to do, and you present the dish that you have and you get a rating. To actually play the game, we've provided the GitHub link that has all the code that we need to create this game, and people can run it on their own Windows. So going back to the website, we also have more information as said in the About Us statement. We're really inspired by the situations the world is facing, such as food wastage, financial literacy, and social competence. So we've provided more information on the user for the user to read in their own free time. So if you click this, you get to go and you get to read an article. And this one is specifically about food wastage. And now we can go back to the home.
Our game. So the player spawns into a kitchen kind of environment. From there, the first thing that they should do is go over to this cupboard fridge area. So they can select ingredients from the pantry or the fridge depending on whether they should be stored in hot or cold environments, or like room temperature and cold environments. They can then drag it into their inventory that's shown by this bar at the bottom. And from there, they can go to this cutting board to either chop, blend, or mix ingredients. Like for example, you can chop carrots, you can like blend things into juices, or like you can mix a salad or mix eggs together for an omelet. And then the next thing they should do is go to the stove where there's a pot and a pan. The pot is used for boiling and deep frying, and the pan is used for pan frying and steaming. And after they finish a dish, they should wash their dishes in the sink. So there's a wash button. And as they continue the process, the AI can judge their decisions to provide additional feedback and helpful information on whether they're doing a dish correctly, or like whether they're using the best ingredients and the cleanliness throughout the kitchen.
Hello and welcome to the back end of our project. So here we have the program asking us what ingredients we would like to use. So let's try an omelet. So let's have an egg, which is a dairy. Let's add some milk into that, which is a liquid. Let's add a bit of salt. So we're going to say that's a seasoning. And finally, we're going to add a bit of oil. So we're going to say olive oil. And that's an oil. And now that we're done gathering ingredients, we're going to say done. Now we're going to, first of all, blend the egg. So let's choose egg, and that's blended. Now let's blend the milk. That's blended. Now we're going to mix the eggs and salt together. So first we're going to mix the egg, and then we're going to put in the milk. And now that we have this, we can move on to the cooking portion, where we'll actually put the things into the pan and make the omelet. So now let's select a pan, because it's the tool we need to use to actually fry the egg. So let's see, would you like to steam or pan fry? We'd like to pan fry. So it asks us what we would like to use as the oil/fat, and since we have olive oil, we will use that. How long do we want to pan fry? I think 5 minutes good for an omelet. And there we go. At the end of it, the AI will tell you how well you did. But unfortunately, we weren't able to implement this with our front end, but we have so far. Thank you.